Learn English alphabet. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. B. A. B. B is for ball. Capital letter B. B is for ball. English alphabet A. B. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. Learn English alphabet A, B, C. C is for cat. A silent cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. D. English alphabet D. D is for duck. D is for duck. D is for duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. English capital letter E. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. Capital letter uppercase F. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Capital letter G is for gorilla. H is for handloom. H is for handloom. Weaver's handloom. H is for handloom. I is for India. I love my country. I is for India. J is for juice. J is for juice. J is for juice. J is for juice. K is for king. K is for king. Capital letter K is for king. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. Alphabet L is for lemon. L. Capital letter L. M is for capital letter M is for machine. M is for machine, a saving machine, cloth saving machine. N is for notebook. N is for notebook. English alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26 alphabet I have read. English alphabet A to Z. Capital letter A to Z. English alphabet A is for apple, B is for ball, and C is for cat, and D is for doll. O. English alphabet O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q, Q, Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R, English alphabet R. R is for red forest. Capital letter 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 R. R is for red forest. And then next S. S is for sun. S is for sun. Morning sun. Early morning sun. S is for sun. S is for sun. T. T is for train. Passenger train. T is for train. Uppercase T. Alphabet T. T is for train. T. T is for train. T. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. English alphabet U is for umbrella. V is for victory. Winning team. W is for watermelon, and W is for watchman. W is for watchman. W is for watchman. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yellow garden. 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 And last one, Z is for zebra. You can also say Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.